You know, a cold and flu season, it's here, and that means if a coworker or a classmate gets sick, you might too.
Yeah, that's right. I better watch out. See if I'm feeling well.
Sorry, I'm trying to cut here.
To protect yourself, you might need to do more than just wash your hands. Eyewitness News 5's Daryl Snipes talked with one group of 5th graders who's trying to show us the right way to cough and sneeze. Daryl.
Maggie and Jessica, we were always taught to cough in our hands, but that's exactly how germs are spread, by touching your hand to a telephone or to a keyboard. Some Northridge Elementary 5th graders are spreading the word to cough in your sleeve.
Here's the way to go. Cough and sneeze into your sleeve, or else you have to go.
In a rap and dance, even on a hoodie.
It says Cold Busters, which is...
These 5th graders at Northridge Elementary School are a part of a unique group called the Cold Busters, and they are on a mission.
And our motto is spread the word, not the germs.
I think it's great. I mean, I hate getting sick, and I know most people do.
Teacher Linda Cates helped get the Cold Busters started 2 months ago. She turned one student's cold into a lesson, especially after more than 5 other kids in the same class caught the cold.
And from there we talked about how colds are spread by him coughing into his hands, and then everything he touched, the kids would touch, and the colds were spread.
And last year, during the height of cold and flu season, the Putnam City Health Services Department reported sending 3,351 students home. These students want to reduce that number, and they are using their recess to make posters to spread the word on the right way to sneeze and cough. In your sleeve and not in your hands.
Fabric kills germs. The germs get on your hands and live there, and then when you touch anything else, the germs spread. Sneeze and cough into your sleeve, bro.
Ms. Kate says that everyone in the Cold Busters and their family members are starting to use their sleeve, and they hope to have another assembly by winter break to let the rest of the school know exactly how to cough and sneeze. Reporting live in the newsroom, Daryl Snipes, Eyewitness News 5.
Daryl, I like that little rap and dance they had there. Thank you, and we also want to welcome you to our Eyewitness News 5 team. Now, the posters that the Cold Busters are making will go up in area businesses to get the word out. Don't spread germs to the rest of the city.
Coughing in the sleeve is going to raise our dry cleaning bill real quick.
That's true. That's a good point.